Right.
Hi, ladies.
Hey.
Tell me more.
This is the Fremont Troll. Apparently he's blue eyes. He's got blue eyes, blue nails,
You got one left blue eye.
one blue eye.
You've seen the movie 10 Things I Hate About You? Classic scene.
Yep.
Classic scene.
Classic scene. The car looks smaller than I thought it would be.
The what?
The car.
What
under his
car?
hand. There's a car under his hand.
Oh, there's a car.
There's a bug.
There's a car. What kind of car?
It's a bug.
A beetle?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Do you guys mind taking a picture of me and my husband? Is that okay? Thank you.
There's some fingers.
Are
What
they
else
in
have
our
I
documentary?
missed? What else have I missed? Yeah, they are. What else have I missed? Blue fingers?
Oh, see somebody, that's graffiti. That wasn't there.
The blue?
Last time I was here, yeah, it was blue. And you see
Oh.
spray painted along the side of her face and they tried to tag it.
Tag it?
Like the kids who spray paint their names, tagging.
Does he have a mustache too?
It's like,
Lighter colored?
yeah.
Pretty cool.
I took a few of them so that you had them. You guys want to get a picture of all of us again?
Oh yeah, okay, signing off.
Yeah.